Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, we did the summary. Today we are going to begin with the chapter. Open your books, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ विजय लक्ष्मी बोलो. Speak.
You had said remind me about the
अच्छा
question
हाँ
answer.
हाँ. Okay, fine. Then not the chapter. We'll do the question answers. Okay, fine. चलो. Can you tell me the poems? चलो बेटा बताओ poems बताओ किसके बताने हरी अब. A Thing of Beauty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you all ready to note down the questions? All ready to note down the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Thing of Beauty. Yes. Should I begin?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Textual questions, all you have to do. Okay, how many are there? 7 are there. 7 are there. Isn't it? Or more than 7?
Ma'am, 7.
7 are there. Write down the additional short. Write down the additional short answer questions now. How is a thing of beauty a joy forever? Write down. How is a thing of beauty? How is a thing of beauty a joy forever? How is a thing of beauty a joy forever?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What makes the poet believe? What makes the poet believe that? What makes the poet believe that a thing of beauty can, that a thing of beauty can never passes, a thing of beauty can never pass, don't write passes. A thing of beauty can never pass into nothingness, into nothingness. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Next one. What philosophy of life is highlighted in the poem? Is highlighted in the poem. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last
Yes.
one. How does the poem highlight? How does the poem highlight the poet's immense faith in the divine? The poet's immense faith in the divine. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Come to the next
Yes,
poem.
ma'am.
Come to the next poem. Beta. Textual questions, how many are there?
Ma'am, 8.
8 textual questions are there. Okay. Write down the additional ones.
Ma'am, we have to do all.
Yes, you have to do all beta. Nothing has to be left out.
Okay, ma'am.
Write down the first one. What ideology does the poem, what ideology does the poem, inverted commas, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, Aunt Jennifer's apostrophe S, Tigers, propound, P-R-O-P-O-U-N-D. What ideology does the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers propound? P-R-O-P-O-U-N-D. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
How are genders polarized in the poem? How are genders polarized in the poem? In the poem. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What character traits of Aunt Jennifer, what character traits of Aunt Jennifer come to light in the poem? Come to light in the poem. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Where does Aunt Jennifer seek? Where does Aunt Jennifer seek refuge? R-E-F-U-G-E, refuge. On being Victimized, victimised, victimized by the male world. Victimized by the male world. Question mark. Does she find her freedom? Does she find her freedom? Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now which chapter remaining? Which is the chapter remaining?
From the third level.
The third level, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Textual questions. How many textual questions are there?
7.
7 are there?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay, on the very first page, the question is given. Beginning of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then page number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 7, 1 to 4. Page number 7, 1 to 4. Marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come to the additional ones. First one, write down how did Charlie reach the third level? How did Charlie reach the third level? How did Charlie reach the third level? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, write down stem collecting to. Stem collecting to was described as a medium of escape. Stem collecting to was described as a medium of escape by the psychiatrist and Charlie's friends. Stem collecting to was described as a medium of escape by the psychiatrist and Charlie's friends. Full stop. Why did, continue, okay, same question. Why did Charlie's grandfather, comma, who lived in the good old days, who lived in the good old days, who lived in the good old days, comma, when life was tension-free, when life was tension-free, comma, pursue this hobby, pursue this hobby. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
When life was tension-free, comma, pursue this hobby. Next one, what does Charlie compare Grand Central Station to and why? What does Charlie compare Grand Central Station to and why? What does Charlie compare Grand Central Station to and why? Next one, give a description of the third level. Give a description of the third level.
Yes.
Next one, what sort of dresses, what sort of dresses what sort of dresses and appearances did Charlie come across on the third level? Did Charlie come across on the third level? Next one, why did Charlie run back from the third level? Why did Charlie run back from the third level? Why did Charlie run back from the third level? Next one, why could Charlie not reach the third level again? Next one, why could Charlie not reach the third level again? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next one, what do you understand by a first day cover? What do you understand by a first day cover? What do you understand by a first day cover? What do you understand by a first day cover? Next one,
Yes, ma'am.
why was Sam attracted towards Galesburg? Why was Sam attracted towards Galesburg? Next, why did Sam buy $800? Why did Sam buy $800 of old style currency? Why did Sam buy $800 of old style currency? Continue. What did he think of this bargain? What did he think of this bargain?
Ma'am, repeat the second one. What did the
Why did Sam buy $800 of old style currency? This.
Yes, ma'am.
What did he think of this bargain? BARGAIN. Bargaining was done, na? So what did he think of this bargain?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, he thought that it would be enough to start. Okay, what to start hay, है ना, hay and grain business in Halesburg.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine enough, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all.